How to use paper recycling bins. Here is what you should and should not place in the wheeled paper recycling bins. Magazines, newspapers, leaflets, greeting cards, paper cups, laminated paper, hardback books, ring binders, office paper, receipts, softback journals, wrapping paper, drinks cartons, cardboard folders, cardboard, plastic wallets. Paper recycling bins are available for large clearances via house services. Please help us maximise recycling by putting the correct items in these bins. Separate bins are available for hardback items. Please do not use the paper recycling Eurobins to dispose of any confidential waste. Confidential waste must be disposed of securely in the Restore Data Shred consoles or confidential waste bags to prevent financial and reputational damage to the university and individuals. For more information about confidential waste, visit the link on the screen.